Top 5 Cybersecurity Risks for Businesses. 1. Phishing. This is one of the most widespread forms of cybercrime that is present today, and what is worrying is that no matter how much we think we know about scams or fake emails, there are still many people who frequently fall victim to this cyber attack. 2. Malware and ransomware attacks. Ransomware is a severe problem where all your files and data are held hostage by the attacker and are under their custody until you pay up. Malware attack is typically planted in the form of a link or a file over email, and it requires the user to click on the link and open the file to execute the malware and give it control of the system. 3. Endpoint attacks. Companies are moving and storing resources on the cloud and relying on remote work locations, increasing the chances of attack surfaces. Cybercriminals regularly use endpoint attacks to gain access to more extensive networks through devices and systems. 4. Supply chain attacks. Software supply chain attack occurs when the attacker manipulates the code in the third-party software module to compromise the downstream applications that use them, thereby disrupting the whole system altogether. 5. Outdated hardware. Some security attacks are the result of outdated hardware, but software patches and updates take a toll on the hardware as well. As hardware becomes outdated, many obsolete devices will not allow updates with the latest patches and security measures. This could mean that there are apparent gaps in security that cybercriminals can use to gain access.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos.